Hey guys, welcome back to Garage here. So, I don't know what really happened, but I have my 32-bit flash drive in, and today is Ubuntu Day. And so, with that being said, I got booted up, it posted, I got to that same weird screen with the graphics. I tried to get past it, it wouldn't, and left it for a bit of time, and it spit out some code that I had no clue what it meant, and now we're here. So this is the install process, so let's get going through it, and then whatever I see that might be boring, I'll just stop the camera and then record what seems necessary. I don't know how long this is going to take, so this is going to be multiple parts. I don't know how many yet, so let's just get started. So English, and I do have mouse support, or wherever it went. Oh, I have mouse support so I can click on things. It is a GUI, so let's get started. So I'm going to pick English, and instead of trying, because you can try it, but I've been on some form of Linux, I dabbled a little bit, so we're just going to install because I'm not going to waste my time with trying it. So install. Let's see, download updates while installing, install third-party software. Hardware flash. Oh, this will probably be my next hang up. Maybe. So it wants to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, flash, MP3, and other media. Software is subject to license terms, including within documentation. So, and the other option, download updates while installing Ubuntu. This saves time after installation. I can't select that, so we're just gonna go with the other one and see if it works. I don't know. Continue. So I may have to actually swap my ether cord from one system to the other, but we will stand by and see what happens. See this little, oh, it's doing its version of the window spinny thing. So let's, there's no, this computer currently has Microsoft Windows XP Professional on it, because it knows, because I think I showed you guys, I don't remember. Either way, I knew it had the XP Pro on it, so that's basically saying that it already knows it has it, so now you can either install it alongside of it, or just completely erase it and put Ubuntu on, or do something else. But I'm not going to do something else. I just want it completely gone because I can't do anything with that side of it anyway, so we're just going to wipe it and have just this on there. So I will show you that screen. So yeah, that's this top one is for alongside, and this is for completely wiping it and putting just Ubuntu. So this one is what we're going to pick. Erase and install Ubuntu. Encrypt the new Ubuntu. Not worried about this yet, because at some point I'm sure I will upgrade to Ubuntu 64-bit, and the more established I get, then I'll do more of a security type install. And I'm not gonna see, this will set up logical volume management, allows taking screenshots for easier partitioning reset. I'm not worried about that right now, because it's just going to be this. I'm not going to be partitioning it for anything else, so I'm just going to leave that step alone, and let's just get to it.